Hey guys, welcome back to Smoke Sessions. I'm Anita Sue.
And I'm Howard Sue.
And we're back with Kingsford Charcoal, Masterbuilt, and the Home Depot to show you some cooking techniques that you can master your flavor at home.
Today we're gonna do a braising technique, which is another one of my favorite techniques. Braising is essentially slow cooking something in its natural juices or some form of liquid. And braising is perfect for one of my favorite recipes, which is a Malaysian beef rendang. So let's get to it.
All right, I'm gonna trim some of the fat off.
While Anita's doing that, I'm gonna start on some of the aromatics and the vegetables.
Now we just wanna coat some of this roast.
Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper.
So now we're gonna take the roast and brown them on the Masterbuilt Gravity Series. Time to start braising.
So now we're gonna start with our aromatics right into the pot. Next, we're gonna add in our potatoes and our carrots.
So now what we wanna do is take all of your remaining ingredients and just layer them into the Dutch oven.
And we're just gonna let that slowly braise.
And now we throw a piece of foil on top. Now that it's cooked for about 3.5 hours, we're gonna take it off the Masterbuilt. While this was cooking, Anita helped whip up some nice steamed jasmine rice. Let's plate it up, Anita.
All right, you wanna try it?
Yeah.
So good.
Using the Kingsford charcoal with the Masterbuilt allowed me to go from a nice sear to a nice 350 braising cook. So it really just was like precision all the way.
Thanks for joining us for Smoke Sessions. Make sure to go to Home Depot to pick up some Kingsford charcoal and your Masterbuilt Gravity Series. See you later.